Hello Amis, how are you?
I am fine, sir.
Start the question.
Please decode me GR. It was.
Okay. So guys, today Aves Gauri is asking that how can we build a sentence without subject with it was according to past tense. Guys, if we use it was, then it will be used according to past tense to glorify, to qualify the adjective stream according to past tense. Is that clear? How can we use? I tell you with some appropriate example. For example, it was warm, it was hot, it was cold, it was sunlight, it was bright, it was pleasant, it was ugly, it was evil, it was March, it was April. So guys, you are looking that in all example we are using it was according to past time to glorify the past ancient adjective quality under the streams. So guys, if you like this here, then you can follow us 8 our social media handles. And guys, if you want to archive more English tricky video, then you can visit 8 our official website, whose official URL link is www.navea.in. And guys, you can contact us 8 our helpline number, which is 09414008310. Thank you so much guys. All the best.
Thank you.